Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix if mobile data isn't working on Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down to the end and click on about phone. Now here in about phone, scroll down and click on status information. And then click on SIM card status. Now here set the signal strength correctly as shown, and after that go back and then click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset, and here scroll down and click on reset network settings. Now again click on reset settings to confirm. Now enter your lock screen passcode.